Impact Metrowest fitness coach, and I'm here with Coach Tiff. And today we're going to demonstrate foam rolling of the quadricep, of the thigh. And Tiff's going to get it in a great position. She's going to use her left thigh and place it on the foam roller and get her right leg completely out of the equation. She's going to get her elbows directly underneath the shoulders like she's about to incorporate a plank, making sure she's tight here. And she's going to roll between the hip bone and the knees and everything in between, rolling to the outside, rolling straight down the middle, oscillating type movements, up and down, a little bit of cross-sectional side to side. As she breathes in through the nose, out through the nose, she can also incorporate a technique called active release, where, in particular, about 6 inches up from her patella, her rectus femoris, she can bend the knee and extend the knee as she's hitting this leg, just a little bit of that rectus femoris to get things to wake up a little bit.